Okay. So here is the option over here, get calls, this and this. This is for those who don't know how Google AdWords works and they are beginners into it and they don't want to get into details primarily and they want to run the campaigns on their own. So, but as we are professionals, so we will switch to an expert mode. So click on switch to expert mode. Okay. And in switch to export mode, just below that, you will see an option, create an account without a campaign. Click on that. And then it will ask for billing details. This is your billing details. So you do that. And then you will see a message, contracts you, congrats, you are all done. So if those who are getting this message or reach to this page, press one into the chat box quickly, guys. Rajiv has done it. Okay. Tanya, it's done. Aditya, okay, no. Aditya says no. Aditya, try it again. Aditya Gupta say, I did from my another Gmail account. Okay, I didn't get your question to be true. Shivam, it's done.
So just tell me what to do after clicking on that create a campaign without goal guidelines. What to do after that? After clicking on that.
You will be reach on this page automatically when you click on that. That's it.
So after reaching that, it goes downwards and then saying that select a campaign type, search, display, video, app, and
Below
so on.
that, in blue words, in blue color, a text is written. Click on create an account without a campaign.
Yes, sir, I clicked on that.
Click on it again.
So now it's showing that confirm your business information, billing card,
Confirm that.
submit. Yes, I reached.
Perfect. So I hope rest of the guys also have uh, reached to it. And after that is you can explore your account. Explore your account means that click on explore your account, and primarily you will reach on the Google AdWords dashboard. Okay. So what is the difference between to the dashboard which we all have reached and what is the difference between Google AdWords Express? Is primarily Google AdWords Express does not allow you a lot of setting changes and other details, whereas uh, when you do it as a professional, it allows a lot of changes in terms of campaign and it now. The next agenda, the first agenda has completed is how to create a Google AdWords account. Now the next agenda is uh, primarily to do a keyword research for a search campaign and then create a campaign. So how to do that? It's very simple. You have to click on tools and then click on keyword planner. So everyone do that. Okay, cross it. Don't need that detail. Then click on discover the keyword and let's do a campaign on, let's suppose we are making a campaign for Henry Howing. And in Henry Howing, we want to, or let's say we are making a campaign where people wants to buy organic food. Okay, so we type that organic food in the product search and click on get results. Okay, because a lot of people I have heard in the introduction are from, they have some background of agriculture and they have done degrees. So they will see this particular screen. So everyone, when reach to this screen, press one into the chat box that has a keyword displayed into it. I'm showing it once again on a company account. Why a company account? Because company account will have a little more different details because they spend a lot of money every month to generate revenues. So they have a little more advantages in comparison to a fresh account. Okay, so let me log in Henry Hogan account only. I'm showing the keyword research process a bit again. So you have to click on tools, those who are not able to do it for them. Okay, click on tools, click on keyword planner. Then it has two options. The first option we will use, that is discover the new keywords, because we want to find out new keywords. Okay, the second option is if you are running a campaign for very long, you're not sure whether these kind of searches according to which you have created the campaign is not performing according to that. If you want to do a re-research, then use this option, otherwise use the first option. So we are using the first option. So I am typing buy organic foods instead of food to just showcase the difference between the two. Okay. So in my case, you will see a beta version as well. Okay, over here, which I'm crossing it down. And in my case, you will see keyword has a number, specific number, 50, 210, whereas in your accounts, it will show a range. Okay, why it is showing a range? Because you have a new account. Once you start spending couple of thousand rupees with Google AdWords, then Google will show that data to you as well. Is that clear to everyone? Okay, Sudhanshu, I hope Aditya Gupta, your query has been solved. So it's clear to everyone. Everyone is on the same page also, I believe. So Uday, I'm logging out. You can change your password. Okay, thank you for sharing it. So now you can change your search to buy organic food or you can search organic. Now, if you guys remember my suggestion, if you guys remember about my suggestion and account structuring when I explained ad groups and how to make ad groups and theme ad groups, I've told you how to define what thing will what category will be at campaign level and what category will be at ad group level. So those who are from this industry that is producing organic food, can you tell me, or let's say we search by organic food, okay, and by looking at this website, okay, suggest me which what will be category, what will be the ad group level, what category level will come at ad group level and what category will come at campaign level. So you can go ahead and let me know which thing will come at group level, which category, and which category will come at campaign level. Quickly type into the chat box. Okay. So Aditya Gupta says fruits will be in at group level. What will be at campaign level? What about others? Quickly reply, guys. Open this website. I'm sending it to you on chat as well. Okay. Aditya says, I believe different fruits at campaign level and like seasonal, the year around and exotic fruits at campaign level. Okay. Let me also explore the things over here and then Tell me which thing will come at campaign level, which category will come at ad group level. Please quickly reply, guys. I'm waiting.